you're done, press star to move on to the next call. You can use the script on your screen, or if you can't see it, tell them that you support...
Okay, I wanted to call Senator Toomey, and you're not telling me who I'm calling. Thank you. All right, here we go. Hi, good morning. I'm Leonard French. I'm a constituent from Allentown, and I was calling today to ask the senator to vote in favor of the resolution of disapproval on the FCC's vote to repeal net neutrality tomorrow. It's a very important issue for me as a creator who makes legal education videos on YouTube, and the internet is something that's been paid for by taxpayer dollars. And well, let's not forget that without net neutrality protections, Comcast was able to extort a multi-million-dollar bribe out of Netflix. Please provide my support or whatever for this resolution of disapproval, please. Thank you so much. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Find your local senator on battleforthenet.com. See who's the senator that's not voting and call them and ask them to vote in favor of it. If you'd like some help with the script, I'm sure they'll provide one. I'll have one in the description as well. Thank you for doing your part to save net neutrality.